That's a lot about some kind of specific things we did on Reddit over the years that I thought you might find interesting, kind of ways to think about problems. You guys have, throughout this course, I think, learned the major pieces of how web applications fit together. Your application servers, your databases, and cookies and hashes, and how HTTP works. And with that knowledge, you can build quite a few things. There's still a few concepts we haven't really talked about. If you're working on your own, that would be good to get good at. A lot of it revolves around front-end technologies. CSS, I've kind of alluded to, and I've provided CSS in my examples and things like that. This is for controlling how your HTML looks, so it doesn't look so kind of ugly in black and white. It can be complicated, and it's a little bit of an inexact science laying out a web page, but this is a technology worth understanding, as well as JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language that runs in the browser. Your web browser ships this code to the browser, and then the browser actually runs it. And this can manipulate your HTML, it can manipulate your JavaScript, and it can actually make more requests to your server for small pieces of data and insert those into the page. Doing that is called Ajax. It stands for asynchronous JavaScript. Basically making HTTP calls in the background to your web server to update the page dynamically. And many, many websites use Ajax now. A good example on Reddit is the voting. Click that vote. It doesn't reload the whole page or submit a form. It just sends that vote to the server, and then the server records it. So these are some technologies that be good for you guys to learn, and you can start making your web pages more dynamic, look better, and more interactive. So there's one last thing we're going to do in this unit, which is we're going to talk to Udacity about how they use Google App Engine in production. So you can get a sense for troubles they've encountered and some of the solutions they found running a large production site on Google App Engine.